Hello. Today we are going to be working on making agents collide and respond to one another when they do collide. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find this model right here, Module 1, Lesson 4, Colliding Turtles Starter Model. And we're going to make a remix of this model so that we can play in the code. And then we're going to follow the instructions. And remember, you can find all of this information on Teachers with Guts on your account. But basically, we want to make a set of turtles. We are going to create a set of turtles, and then we will make them wiggle walk. And then we are going to have a collision block that makes something happen when the two turtles collide, or when the turtles collide. So the first thing over here is we're going to create a situation where we have two sets of turtles of the same number, ideally. One set is going to be red, the other set is going to be blue. So you're going to want to set that up, and you're going to want to scatter those turtles. And remember always that the first thing you want to do is you want to delete everyone who currently exists, so that when you do hit setup again, it doesn't just create agents over top of agents over top of agents. So you would create two sets of turtles, one set red and the other set blue. That's what we'll do in the world. So now that we know how our world should be set up, we're going to go over to our turtle block. And you can see you have two blocks here. You've got your toggle block, your forever toggle block, and in this one, you're going to want to set up a wiggle walk. So you're going to want your turtles going forward, and then you're going to want them to go right by a random amount, and then left by that same random amount, and by which we will create some kind of random forward action with our turtles. And you can, of course, decide how much of a wiggle in the walk you want by how great the degrees to which the turtles are turning are. So then we have this collision block, and over here on the collision block, and you'll find collision within detection. So detection being when two agents can detect one another. So on collision with a turtle, you're going to want your turtle to turn a certain color. And you can see, just like with the forever block, it has the little notch in such a way that only certain other blocks will fit in there. Only action blocks like set my, for example, would fit into there. So what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to have it so that your turtle turns either blue or, in this case, color red, I think is what it defaults to. So when you think about this, this applies to every single turtle on the screen. So if you create 50 blue and 50 red turtles, you'll have 100 turtles on the screen. The conditions here will apply to every single one of those turtles. The directions will. So if you have a blue turtle and they collide with another turtle, they're going to turn red. And if you have a red turtle and it collides with another turtle, well, it's going to turn red too, only you won't see anything happen because, of course, it already started as red. So here is your challenge, is to first create these turtles of different colors, get them wiggle walking, and then create the conditions for them to change colors as they collide with one another. Happy coding.